we have to do movie. Okay. And let's go grab some garbage. That can be in plastic single use. So we're gonna see in how much in 10 minutes I can accumulate.
Oh my God, do you have enough bags?
So
10 minutes we can get a lot of crap.
So of course, for question of safety, I have glove. You never know.
You never know.
And could be sharp, stuff like that. So let's start.
Let's go see.
We'll start on that angle. The idea is plastic become invisible during the summertime, and there's one period of the year where we can see it. It's spring, and as we are at the end of summer, it becomes less and less visible to us, and therefore we think that we are living in a very clean environment.
But it's all still there. All the stuff that we saw surface in spring and said, oh my God, look at all this garbage,
exactly,
is mostly still there.
So we can see
even in the back of our nice, clean, neat, tidy apartment building.
So you see, and it doesn't break down. So we have plastic bottles. We have some kind of something that is not empty. So a yogurt.
Oh,
yeah. And the usual plastic bags.
Oh look, Tim Hortons cups.
And we have more plastic. That's paper.
By the billions.
Tim Hortons.
Which people, I don't know, figure will break down.
Well,
or
according
something
to a
a
scientific, according to a scientific research on pollution in Canada, the three main products that you can find is Tim Horton cup, plastic bottle, and plastic bag.
That sounds about right. Plastic bottles that are everywhere.
So. Here we have a situation.
Look at this. We've been at this for 1 minute.
We have a
Show me
situation here where somebody just disposed their garbage bag, so they don't have to pay for their cost. So we have plastic
just shoved
bags.
into the bushes where it's like quote unquote
So
out
we
of
hide
sight.
it. So that person hide the plastic. See, we have plastic bag, and it's just like what, 50 feet from our door.
We haven't even made it out of the driveway yet.
Yeah. So here we have at least 20, 30 bottles of plastic, because that person didn't consider that it's worth putting it in a garbage bin. So I'm going to continue. There's still a full of it, but it's just an example.
Yeah, that spot alone, most of it's still there because someone just stuffed it into the bushes.
Well, so that's the one thing. So we continue, and there's no plastic, you know. This one has some kind of water. So it means that somebody used it as a water bottle, but then discard it.
And then threw it away.
Yeah. So more Tim Horton, plastic bottle, the cup. People think that they are recyclable.
They're not.
They are not. More plastic bottle. So often we also see clothing and that plastic bag here, some plastic wrapping, plastic bottle.
And we haven't even made it to the corner of the parking lot yet.
So I'm already at half a garbage bag, and I've made what? 25 feet.
You've come this far.
Here's another place where we're gonna see a lot of garbage. People just consider that it's a perfect place for.
The back corner of the parking lot, kind of out of sight. Let's just toss our stuff here. Never mind that there's a garbage can right beside the door.
So yeah, exactly. There's a big, huge garbage bin over there where people can throw their stuff. But you know, they make the decision to come over, and we have all these. So we see more. Here is what
A mysterious scarf. Oh, I don't know what to do with this. I'll just toss it out on the road.
Here we have something very disgusting. Is somebody put their baby's diapers in a plastic bag and let the plastic diapers
Oh, for God's sake.
there so they don't have to pay again for the garbage.
This is in the little field that's just at
That's
the
the
edge of our
vacant
parking
field.
lot here.
So we see again the usual plastic Tim Horton, the plastic bottle. And again, I'm not here to clean the place. I'm here to reveal.
That would be another.
So
That
we
would
have
be
the
another
little
level
Mentos.
of the activity entirely.
Here we have 5 Tim Horton cups. So it means that somebody was putting them in the car,
It means
and then eventually there was too much, so they just throw it in the nature.
it means that they went to the trouble of putting those together before throwing them out.
More
the window.
plastic here. This one is full. We have another place where it's a wild dump.
And we haven't even sought out a particularly nasty or dirty place. This is just
We have
literally
another
the most
spot.
convenient spot we could find, which is just outside our apartment.
This is outside our apartment building, next to a vacant spot. So there's that notion that if it's vacant, it's kind of like a free-for-all. Nobody will care.
Yeah, whatever.
There's
It's
a
like,
McDonald's, and Tim Horton, all these plastic. Oh, and we have here the little
look at that.
the little toy thing
A cheerful little toy.
that has been thrown. More cup from Tim Horton. So again, I'm just showing.
Ooh, medications with somebody's name on them. We won't show the name.
Good. Good. Oh. So more cup. A cup. Oh, here I have a couch glove. And here's one beautiful example of don't care. We don't care. Even the management of this building don't care about cleaning up.
Yeah, it's all just left.
So it's just like throw. And my bag is almost full.
And
I'm
like
not
you
even-
said, if this were, if the nature of this project was to come out and clean this up, this would be a whole different thing. For one thing, we'd need 100 times as many bags.
I'm just showing
Yeah.
that it's going to be, for the installation in Niagara Falls, it's going to be quite easy to fill garbage after garbage bag. It's what I mean. Okay? So that's the process. So again, it's just like 5 minutes of. Here I
I'm
have,
not even trying.
here I have the plastic. You know, winter's coming, so people will start putting some.
We'll be seeing
Huh?
more of those.
So nice of you that you're both doing that.
Oh, it's
Oh.
no! I'm doing an installation in 2 weeks, and it's gonna be a Christmas tree made of plastic garbage. So I'm just showing that you can find the decoration. Yeah.
We've made efforts to clean it up before, but it takes a lot more effort than this.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So we have ice pack just here, nice little ice pack. Again, the usual Tim Horton.
Plastic.
It's plastic. You know.
Just throw it anywhere.
Here we have some construction garbage. Often we will find that people who have construction
Right, that's another thing you have to pay to get rid of, right?
Yeah,
So,
this is very expensive
toss it
because
here.
it's by weight.
Yeah.
So when they put it in their garbage bin, they pay it by the weight. So here we have some kind of another plastic, another nice little windshield. The little box plastic
This.
bottle.
Big chunk of metal or something.
So it's just in my backyard after all. So how many can you imagine?
We haven't
Multiply that.
gone even the slightest bit out of our way so
You
far.
know, imagine multiply that by 1,000 a site that have that kind of accumulation.
Oh, look, a relatively clean strip. How did this happen?
Yeah, I don't know how.
That's odd.
So we have some of the garbage we found come from our recycling bin because they don't have any cover. So when the wind pick up, they start and fly. So and this spot is more clean because the company who do the landscaping and the lawn mowing clean a little bit. That's why, and it's also it doesn't look good. And
This is closer to the street, so we want it to look a little nicer. And you're right, this strip is sort of somebody's responsibility.
somebody here.
Somehow the rest of it isn't.
Somebody here think that it's important to clean. So we have our usual promotion.
The now familiar site.
And then this is going to be relatively clean because the lawnmower company came this week. So they cleaned the plastic, but still. And
Look at this.
look at that.
In what, 6 minutes?
It's like
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Of not
we
even
have a
trying.
full
One
bag.
full.
And I didn't reach the other side of the fence. And then we find more again, more plastic available to pick up.